Very saddening news has followed us recently of the death of the flying Sikh of the country, Milkha Singh. Well, as per the latest reports, the ace athlete was fighting with the COVID-19 virus and was admitted to the hospital concerning the same. Milkha Singh was recovering for the past few days from the deadly virus, but his health condition started deteriorating over again, and the ace athlete passed away on 18 June 2021, late in the night at the age of 91 years. Earlier this week, his wife Nirmal Milkha Singh also succumbed to the coronavirus at the age of 85 years. In this video, we will know the biography about the flying Sikh of our country. His real name was Milkha Singh. His nickname was the Flying Sikh. He was born on 20th November 1929 in Govindpura, Punjab, Undivided India. He died on 18th of June 2021 at the age of 91 years. By profession, he was an athlete. His childhood and early life. Milkha Singh was born in a Sikh Rajput family of Rathore clan in Govindpura, a village 10 km from Muzaffargarh city in Punjab province of Undivided British India. One of the 15 siblings, Milkha travelled to India during the partition of India, during which his parents, a brother and two sisters were killed by the Muslim mobs in the violence that he witnessed all. After escaping from the troubles in Punjab, where the killing of Hindus and Sikhs continued, Milkha moved to Delhi in 1947 and lived with the family of his married sister for some time. He was even imprisoned at the Tihar jail for travelling on a train without a ticket for some time. Milkha was later released by his sister Iswar, who had to sell some jewellery to do so. His family. Milkha met his wife Nirmal Kaur, a former captain of the Indian women's volleyball team in Ceylon in 1955, and married her in 1962. The couple had 3 daughters and a son. Milkha lived in Chandigarh as of 2012 and in 1999 adopted the 7-year-old son of Havildar Bikram Singh, who died in the Battle of Tiger Hill. His wife Nirmal Milkha Singh also died by coronavirus at the age of 85 years. His career journey. Milkha Singh, by name the Flying Sikh, was Indian track and field athlete who became the first Indian male to reach the final of an Olympic athletics event when he placed 4th in the 400-meter race at the 1960 Olympic Games in Rome. Orphaned during the partition of India, Singh moved to India from Pakistan in 1947. He eked out living by working in a roadside restaurant before joining the Indian Army. It was in the army that Singh realized his abilities as a sprinter. After winning the national trials in 200-meter and 400-meter sprints, he was eliminated during the preliminary heats for those events at the 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne. At the 1958 Asian Games, he won both the 200-meter and 400-meter races. Later the year, he captured the 400-meter gold at the Commonwealth Games, which was India's first athletic gold in the history of the Games. He narrowly lost the bronze medal in the 400-meter at the 1960 Olympic Games in Rome, missing out on 3rd place in a photo finish. Singh retained his 400-meter gold at the 1962 Asian Games and also took another gold. He made the final Olympic appearance at the 1964 Tokyo Games as part of the national 400 team that failed to advance past preliminary heats. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1959. After his retirement, he served as the Director of Sports in Punjab. His autobiography, The Race of My Life, co-written with his daughter Sonia Sanwalka, was published in 2013. He sold his rights of his biography to Rakesh Omprakash Mehra, who produced and directed the 2013 biographical film Bhag Milka Bhag. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.